However, if CBP decides that that person is an arriving alien instead of a returning resident, then they might scrutinize them further and they might ask more questions. They might decide that they are an arriving alien if the following conditions apply. If they abandoned or gave up their LPR status, if they've been absent from the US for a continuous period of more than 6 months, if they've been engaged in illegal activity after leaving the US, if they have departed the US while they were in removal proceedings, so they were already in trouble, they were in proceedings and they left and now they're trying to come back. If they've committed certain criminal offenses in the US, unless, of course, they have been granted an immigrant waiver. So if they've done this in the past, they've had some crimes, but they filed a waiver and the waiver was approved, and they shouldn't be asked any further questions, even if they have a past criminal record. And of course, if they're trying to enter without inspection, if they're trying to cross at the border where there's no inspection point and an officer catches them trying to cross illegally, then of course they can be processed as an arriving alien. So generally what happens if you're processed as an arriving alien? It's possible that, of course, a few questions might be asked, or it's possible that you'll be taken into secondary inspection. At secondary inspection, you will be asked some further questions. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're in trouble, but they may take you into a different room and they may question you for several hours or sometimes longer. And at secondary inspection, the officer will decide whether they want to allow you into the country or they want to put you into proceedings.